Hello, today we are going to make this antique Victorian era album. This is another easy project and perfect for beginners. Don't forget to check the description box for more information. So these are the photos that I will be using for the album. The majority of the photos are in sepia color and I really like how they look. These photos are not mine, I got it from Pinterest and resized them to fit the miniature scale. Now go ahead and individually cut them and then set it aside. Next, take a cardstock and cut this to 30mm by 40mm. This will be your album page. You can decide if you want the photo album in the landscape or portrait layout. In this project, I am making a portrait album. Cut 5 of this. You can also cut more than 5 depending on how you want to arrange the photos and how many photos in one page. And then I'm just gonna paint the white edges to make sure they are all black. Next, mark each page with a 3mm margin on the side where the album spine is. This will be an indication that we should not paste the photo beyond this line. Next, you can paste the photos on each side of the page. Fill the pages with photos and when you are done, set it aside. Take another piece of cardstock and make an accordion. You can draw a line to have a reference on how wide you need to fold it. The height of the accordion would depend on which layout you choose. So, for me, I folded the first 3mm of paper and used this to guide the rest of the folds. Just keep on folding the piece of paper until you have enough folds for the number of pages you have. And make sure to leave 2 extra folds for the front and back cover. Now let's glue the pages between the folds of the accordion. Glue the page on one side of each fold. To make it easier to remember, I only glued the pages on the right side of the fold. Again, you will see me applying glue on the right side of the fold. Also remember to remove any excess glue. Keep doing the same process until all the pages are glued. You can cut any excess or uneven sides. For the front and back cover, I am using the same cardstock I used for the album pages. Remember I told you to leave 2 extra folds for the cover? Well, this is where we need to glue the cover. Now cut another piece of the cardstock or some fancy paper and use this to cover the spine of the accordion or the album. And once it is done, you can add some embellishment on the front and back of the album. So here's the finished album with a simple front cover embellished with nail art. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for another timeless treasure tutorial. Bye bye and see you next time.